In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize a border here in Canva. So you might have been using a template, and on that template, there's a border on an image, just like this. Now to resize this is really easy. We click onto the image, or whatever it is that has a border, then we come up to here, to where we see these 3 stroke lines. Now if we click on there, we can play around with the border style, but this is where we can resize that border. So if you increase this bar, the border is going to become thicker. If you decrease this bar, the border is going to become thinner. Then when you have it how you want, you can simply change the color as well. Let's change this to black, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to resize a border here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.